Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So obviously it's winter, so we've got new bikes come out, and today we've got a bike that we have been waiting for quite a while, as in thinking that it's going to be coming. So we're going to get it out of the box, have a look at it. It's the new Ducati Diavel V4. We're getting the V4 out.
Getting the V4
Want to see it?
Yeah, is it out already?
Nah. Let's get Paul. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Got your tools?
Yeah.
You got your knife?
I couldn't find the knife.
What?
Someone's nicked the knife.
I probably used it and didn't put it back. You know what I'm like with tools.
Probably used it in Romford.
Yeah. Wait, what are you doing it with a pair of scissors?
I'm cutting that bit.
Take your straps off. You alright? Nice and warm today, are you?
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this sunshine. Winter sunshine. Wouldn't be right if we got a bike in the summer, would it?
No.
So, do you think you get this ready today to ride, yeah?
I'm going to ride it today.
I'm going to ride it today.
Well, we're both
Oh, we've got a red one.
I see Liam's in on the video now.
Yeah, Liam's getting in on it.
That was it.
So someone's got to take over after your retirement.
Sorry. Right, you know the price of this? How much do you reckon this is? Have a guess. Guess.
28.
No. Red one, 23,595.
Oh, cheap.
And the black one is 23,895. I suppose the red's cheaper because they've got loads of red paint.
That's left over.
The black they have to order in. Cody, you going to test ride this first? You get a suntan out here today, wouldn't you?
Get what?
You get a suntan out here today, wouldn't you?
You could do.
This is going to be the quickest unboxing you've ever done. Look at that. I see a black one. They had a black one at the show. I haven't seen a red one yet. Look at that. Look at that. Tank. It's a lot more modern looking than the 1260. I've got some interest. Like that, Nick?
Yeah, it looks cool, doesn't it? It does look really
Seen the
cool.
pipe? Look at the pipe.
Yeah, I see that. It's like a machine gun.
Yeah. It looks like something like a cosplay, like 4-barrel. It's like a steampunk kind of 4-barrel gun. Look at them wheels.
V4 Diavel, Mark.
My new commuter, Nick.
That is your new commuter.
Yeah, look at them indicators, look.
Invoice now. Come on.
You ain't got to particularly do too much building there, have you? Barring weights and mirrors.
Yeah, and you can wheel this in now.
I can wheel this in now.
It's heavy, is it?
It's 2 weeks.
It's too weak. Cody, you've got to stop driving around the Essex countryside in your car, start going down the gym.
How heavy is it?
How heavy is it? That's a question.
These are different, aren't they? Look at the indicators.
Look at them indicators. Yeah, look, they look cool, don't
It
they?
seems like
I wasn't sure
it's
about
all
them in the
higher.
photos, but
It's all a bit higher, Mark.
Yeah, you know what? The tank's higher. The bars are 20mm back as well
I think you have
over the
slightly
other
higher
one.
ground clearance as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
Bit of off-road for you on this, isn't it?
Yeah.
First
Yes, you'll be taking it Green Lane in, wouldn't you?
First week.
Yeah.
Just like I did with the 1260.
With the
Yeah.
other one, yeah.
Nice Green Lane in motorcycle, that.
Yep.
Looks well cool, doesn't it? Let's get it on the bench. It's long, doesn't it?
Long.
And I like the look of that.
Yeah, doesn't it?
I,
Look cool.
from the photos, I thought the tank looked like it was just like plonked on top, everything sort of like
Yeah.
resting on top, but
It's
actually
kind of
now
styled in like a Panigale and that sort of tank, isn't it?
Does it have a screen at all? An
No.
option or?
Well, they do options,
Oh,
yeah.
it will have, won't it, eventually?
Well, maybe they're saying, yeah, because that actual finish is not the best, is it?
something that goes over there.
They will, I'm
Remember
sure.
a little screen that pops on there.
Yeah. Look how fat that tank looks here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it.
Let's get it plugged in, fired up.
Actually, now seeing it in person, the proportions work in person, and I wasn't sure about the indicators, but the indicators are actually quite nice up there.
Yeah, and you know what else I like? This. Because you know what it's like on these, when you pull the throttle, you kind of get pushed back, don't you?
Yeah.
And then I want to see the lights on. V4, Gran Turismo engine.
Nice try the V4, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've seen people wheeling these down on the lifts. It's a big fork, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's stanchion.
Look how fat that is.
You might see someone else wheeling it, so anyway.
We won't
we
wheel
do
it,
that.
we're
We
just
don't
going out
condone that.
riding it, you know, nice gentle ride. It's slippery out though. I rode them 5 bikes the other day,
Yeah.
and even going into that little roundabout there on the scrambler, the front just went,
It is slippery out.
it's
yeah.
slippery out there. You like this, Cody?
Right.
What do you mean it's alright? He rides Hondas. When
Right.
he looks at this and says it's alright. Battery on.
You seen this, Mark? Look.
Yeah, that's all LED lights, that is. Once we get this fired up, we can have a look at the lights and stuff.
They finally made use of that bit of guttering they had.
Yeah. Get the barring weights on, get the mirrors on, get the kettle on.
Get the kettle on, let's do
Because
that.
you're cold now, ain't you? You've been outside.
I'm quite thirsty and I could do with a biscuit.
Got some chocolate digestives, or have I ate them all? Did I eat them all?
You ate
I've
about-
got some Jaffa cakes as well.
You ate 7 in one go. I noticed that.
And it's got the black Ducati writing. Oh, and I tell you what else we've got out there to ride. Street Fighter V4. You rode that, didn't you? The new Street Fighter V4.
V4S, yeah I did.
Weren't quick enough, you said, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a bit slow. I thought it was a bit underpowered. They really want to get themselves together and start working on their engine development.
Yeah, let's have a look. Let's show them.
let's have a tea.
Yeah, all right. We'll have a tea. Oh, that's super sport. Look with them exhausts. That's I just wanna show you because after we've ridden that, I will ride this and do another video because we've got the 2023 V4S Street Fighter as well. Paul's rode that. Said it was crazy. So it'd be interesting because I like the 1260 Diavel, the 1260S Diavel.
I like them, yeah. As long as they've got mid controls, I like them. I don't like
Yeah.
the forwards.
Not the X. So these have got quick shifter on them. You know what's going to happen? Someone's going to want a dry clutch fitted on one of these. That's quite funny seeing that V4 engine all black as well, isn't it? Because they're not usually all black, are they?
I like that.
Yeah.
Not many bikes I like first off.
You're more into that, ain't you, Cody? Yeah, all right.
Not
So,
when the brake levers at that angle.
oh yeah. What's happened to the brake lever on that, Cody? Yeah. So let's have a cup of tea. Let's get the bits on it. Nick can register it, and we can take it
I
out.
want the seat off first.
All right. I'll have a coffee. Then I can have a bit of cake. You know what Lucy's making up there, didn't you?
No.
Easter cakes. We'll get that fired up today. There's nothing to do on that bike. I can take that out then. You can
So
have
can
it.
I?
Alright, so you can
Or
ride
I
that.
could just ride it home.
Oh, you know what you could do? When you ride that, I could follow you on the Street Fighter V4. So I could video you riding it. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
You can do some wheelies.
Have you ridden that yet?
No, not the new 23 one, no.
Put that in full power.
I don't want to put it in full power. Oh no, there's high, medium and low and full power.
Full power.
You better put that in wet mode. How many sugars does Cody have?
Oh, I have no idea.
Young people always have 2 or 3 sugars, don't they? Older people, and then it goes down, you've got no sugar. Have you ever had sugar in tea?
Yeah.
Well, you used to have sugar.
I stopped when I was about 70.
Why? Diabetes kicked in, did it?
Yeah, it took over.
So, next week you'll be going out for your bike rides, won't you?
The 15th is normally the day.
15th of March.
And if we went out at this time and you were wrapped up, which we're going to be later, aren't we?
Yeah.
Then it's bearable, but not for too long, I suppose.
No. We've got another beast from the east coming, I think, haven't we? It's better
Beast
than the...
from the east.
Yeah, it's better than the pest from the west. Isn't it? The mouth from the south. I quite like the mouth from the south though.
Yeah.
The north, I've not got one
No,
from
we
the
haven't
north.
got that one yet.
What have you been doing then anyway? Anything interesting?
I'd
You're still wrapped up in Bangkok, aren't you?
like to be wrapped up somewhere in there. Can I have a couple of biscuits?
Oh yeah, we've got some biscuits. We've got Jaffa cakes as well.
Yeah, I like them.
Do you? I bought them for you.
You're not keen on a Jaffa.
Oh, they're alright. I see that earlier, look. You know, I see that. Just seeing it when I walked in here, I thought, oh, I could eat some Terry's chocolate orange.
Could you do a whole one?
Oh, easy. I could eat more than a whole one.
Do you have digestive problems?
Heartburn and indigestion problems.
Apart from
bad. So
apart from
bad
that,
I can't sleep.
Oh, really?
I had them nights when I choked to death, didn't I, on it? Yeah, we'll get out there, get that bike going, and then we'll all go out and we'll have a look and we'll see what everyone thinks, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Do you know what? They reckon this is really fast.
We'll find
Like
out.
0 to 100.
We'll find out. Not that we ever do 100. I sometimes reach 60.
I don't think Hellboy's got a 4-barrel gun, but that'd be something like out of a Judge Dredd. That's his gun or something. That is cool.
That looks like exhaust looks as a car of a Terminator movie.
That's what I was saying. It looks like something like, I don't know, Hellboy, Judge Dredd. If they pulled that out and aimed it at you, you'd just think it was their gun, wouldn't you?
Got a little strap there for your pleasure.
See you guys.
See ya.
Bye. We're all going to ride it, aren't we?
Nah,
I think it's going to have 6,000 miles on it by the time.
I'm going to ride it, and then what I better do is take it home a couple of times, just to make sure the tyres are right for people.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's under there.
It is.
There's the battery.
There you go.
It's not a very big hole, is it? He's used to fitting big objects in small places, isn't you?
Well, radio station. Shit, innit? Put some of your other stuff on.
What other stuff? He has.
He's got all sorts.
He has all sorts, doesn't he? He listens to Blue,
Boyzone. or
Boys
whatever they're
Own,
called.
Take That.
Boys Are Us.
Boys Are Us. What band's that then?
This is his favourite song.
Is this Pina Colada song?
Yeah.
You like this?
What?
Tequila. You into trumpet playing?
Every night.
Or is it saxophone? I'm glad the boxing coach is here.
Here he is.
We've sorted out, we're going to sort out a YouTube fight, Paul and Jake Paul.
YouTube fight.
Yeah.
Paul and Jake Paul.
Yeah.
2 million quid though.
2 million
Sorted
quid.
out for me,
2
yeah.
million.
Yeah, I'm going to have half.
Then you have a winner
Liam's
takes all.
gonna
Winner takes all. Well, not necessarily, because I'll take half. I'll be your manager. This can be your intro music, can't it, as you walk in? Yeah, do you think you need a longer bolt? What do you reckon? 3-inch one will do alright? Or? That's it. Plug her in. That's another thing that's better than the 1260. All that dash and that front, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big dash on that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks big anyway.
Bring Metal Mickey over and we'll plug it in.
Bring the drinks trolley over. What are you drinking today?
On the side.
I'll have a vodka, mate. Tyre pressures. I can't read stuff like that. Front 36, rear 36.
Really?
Yeah, 36, 24, 36.
Yeah.
That sounds like a curve, don't it? We'll let you ride it first.
Yeah.
You can see what you think, and I'll take it out and I'll.
Give it a good hiding.
Right, come on then. Let's start out. Fuel is in. Well, so that's the Diavel V4 unboxed and a quick look at it. I mean, what a fantastic looking bike. I am about to ride it now. Everyone else has just had a go of it. Paul's had a go. When Paul was having a go, I followed him on the Street Fighter V4. Matt's had a go, Liam's had a go, but I'm going to go out on it now. That is going to be in the next video, which, yep, I promise I will put it up in the next day or two. But as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, and maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Who's Gal?
I had trouble.
What do you mean you had trouble?
Nicholas,
Put them in, bro.
What happened?
let me through, let me through.
Come through,
Put
mate.
them in, bro.
What's all that out there as well?
Yeah, I've got them.
It's all happening, mate.
In there, the small.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
I had 6 of them. Went to pay him, he's gone, we don't take cash. I went, since when? He went, we've never taken cash.
What, in a
I
bank?
took cash the other week.
Oh, no.
He went, no one's taking cash here. I went,
So he's the owner, like.
I went, woman took a tenner off me.
Oh, this has got someone sacked.
He went,
We don't take cash here. I pay every day. Hold on, where's that? At Gal's? Is this the cash thing at Gal's, is it?
Yeah, go up there.
So I'll go down there.
Nice one, boy.
In the high street,
Where? Brentwood.
next to Nando's.
How much are they?
£2.50.
What each?
Each. I've got all them for £2.50.
Fucking hell, £2.50 each.
Some geezer bought them on his card, I had to pay him the money.
So he still wouldn't let you do the cash?
No.
So she's in trouble. She's banging.
Someone's been taking cash.
Yeah, I went there in the morning, at 3 minutes to 7, all the pan au chocolats are out, the bloke went, Don't open till 7.
What time was you there?
3 minutes to. 6:57 I was there. He went, we're not open yet.
Is this the same geezer who said we don't take cash?
No, I don't know.
You sure he even works there?
Oh no, he works there.
What you done to your barnet, bro?
Cut my face.
You're shaving. Shaving your forehead.
Clipped with a razor.
What you been doing? Nutted someone?
No, I walked into...
You ain't walked into nothing, man. Skirting board, maybe.